got 2 each because we wanted to. So we're gonna open the first one. See if I can get it open. Got it open. Let's see which one. It's same pig. Same pig! Stickers and different kinds of stickers. We want the big fat bird. Come on, we want the big fat bird. We don't have the big tuna bird. We have this one, and we don't have this one, and we don't have this one, and we had this one, and we don't have that one, but we had this one. We had this one. We had this one. I already did pop my ear. Just kidding, I did pop my ear. Can you put this? Okay, you did open. It will be better. Got it. So we got regular pig. Regular pig! Regular pig. So sad, so bad. And same stickers as the other ones. The same stickers. And just like, oh, we don't have the first set. Come on. Last but not least, we had these. Switchy Angry Birds. Let's open up the first one here. And they have this the first neck. Quartered my neck. And we got Bluebird. Bluebird. We needed Bluebird.
You needed the bluebird?
Yeah. We need Bombird. Now we need Bombird. We need Bombird. Guess we need Bombird. Guess we need Bombird.
You need a bombird?
Last one. Last one. Last one. Last one.
Last one.
Or we have to go back and get some more. We need a Bluebird. Hey, don't kick me. And we got Yellowbird.
Yellowbird?
We already got Yellowbird.
Oh, you got another one?
Why are you kicking me? We don't have Bluebird. We don't have Bluebird from the first set. We don't have Bluebird from the first set.
Oh, we didn't?
Yeah, because we didn't have him from the first set.
No. Alright, until next time.
Pizza upon a night.
What?
I said pizza upon a night.
Pizza upon the nights. Bye.
Bye. Next time we got the Bluebird by so glad we didn't get it because we got it right now.